Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard. For example, in the Messages Notes browser, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter languages. As you can see right here, we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on language settings. And as you can see there, we've got the list of available languages, which is inactive, unfortunately. It is because at the top of this list, we've got this option, use system language, ticked. So because we've got the system language English, it will be immediately applied and automatically applied to the keyboard. So first of all, we have to untick this option, and as you can see right now, we've got all of those languages active. So let's find the language and mark it, just like that. Let's go up, and as you can see, English is still ticked. So let's go back to the keyboard, and there we've got the English language still, the English layout. And here in the left lower corner, we've got the language key, which will allow us to actually change the keyboard layout. So you can always choose which one you want to have applied currently and in which you would like to type. Of course, you can also remove the language from this list. Just go back to this language settings. You can change it also right here, but it is less intuitive, I would say, because it takes much more time. So let's go back to the language settings, and basically if you want to remove the language, simply untick it. Just like that. I will remove Arabic, and after getting back we can see that we've got only English. We do not have this language key. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.